How to zip or unzip a file or folder in Windows 11. Zipping files or folders is a great way to compress them and save space on your computer or to send them via email. And unzipping files or folders is the process of extracting the compressed files. So let's get started. To zip a file or folder, right-click on the file or folder you want to compress and select Compress to Zip File from the context menu. After that, a new zip file will be created in the same location as the original file or folder. Rename the zip file if you want. To unzip a file or folder, double-click on the zip file to open it. Then drag and drop the contents to the location where you want to extract them. You can also right-click on the zip file and select Extract All from the context menu. Then select the location where you want to extract the files and click on Extract. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily zip and unzip files or folders in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.